Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on my recent visit to Taipei, I picked up this 3x3 puzzle cube from the Taipei 101 Observatory Tower. And today we are going to unbox it and take a closer look at it. Alright, let's open this up. First impressions, the twist and turn is actually pretty smooth, especially for a non-magnetic cube. Still, my turnings have to be precise. Otherwise, if I turn too much or too little, I'll get stuck with my cube like so. Each side has a different and distinct color, and the pictures are simple drawings. So it doesn't look like it will be too difficult to solve. This should be a fun one. We have drawings of the 4 damper babies on the green, black, red, and yellow faces. Then on the dark blue and light blue faces, we have drawings of the Taipei 101 Observatory Tower. So today, I'm going to try solving this puzzle cube. But this is not a tutorial video. If you'd like to learn on how to solve a picture cube, I have the link in the description for you. Alright, here's the plan on how I'm doing it. We're going to keep the yellow face on top, and the black face will be at the bottom. In addition, I've noted that as I hold the puzzle cube in this position, the tip of the towers of the blue faces are both pointing to the left. And for the damper babies, the C shape which formed the mouth is facing away from the I-shaped eyes. Okay, here's what I will do to solve this puzzle cube. First, I will create the bottom cross on the black face. Then I'll use basic F2L to solve the first 2 layers. And finally, I'll use a 3x3 beginner's method to solve the last layer. This beginner's method only uses 2 simple algorithms, and that's important because we don't want to use anything too complex and accidentally mess up the first 2 completed layers. If you need a tutorial on this beginner's method, I've included a link in the description as well. Alright, let's scramble the cube first and get started. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.